welcome to your first sea days vlogs. We've got 3 days at sea and I'm going to combine all those days at sea into one vlog. We have so many things going on in our horizon, lots of activities today, and tonight is celebration night, which I absolutely love. I love getting ready for it. It's a bit of a murky day, let me show you. So it doesn't look brilliant, but we're just going to spend some time on the ship. We're going to explore the ship, do some of the activities that they've got going on. We're going to go to Kids Club for the first time and see what they've got going on today, and yeah, just have a bit of a relax really. So first we're going to go for breakfast. I've been waiting for this for ages. Eggs Benedict, I cannot wait. So breakfast was delicious, everything that I had been dreaming of, and we're now just like mooching it around the ship. We've looked in our horizon and there is some watercolour painting in the Limelight Club, so we're all going to go and have a go at that and just see what there is in the shops and bits, and get some lunch at some point. Such a beautiful ship. It's hardly moving. It's a bit of a cloudy day still, but it's still quite warm. But yeah, it's just lovely. It's so lovely to be back on board and living the cruise life. So tonight is celebration night. We've just finished getting ready. I'll show you my outfit. So I've got my ballroom shoes on so I can do some dancing. I actually got this dress from Shein. The jewellery's my wedding makeup, and I've done my makeup, jewellery, wedding jewellery, and I've just done my own hair and makeup. So we're now going to go and see the captain and get a drink with the captain, and then they've got a Shaun the Sheep kids disco at 7, so we're going to go and meet Shaun the Sheep and go to a kids disco. So come on a formal evening with us.
Oh wow, would that be your favourite song? You told me yes.
formal night dinner was delicious, and we have now come to the Headliners Theatre to watch their premiere show of this cruise called Horizon.
I'm really tired.
She's really tired. We're all really tired, but we've come to see a show before bed. So this morning they've got a £10 sale on in the shops. So we're going to go and have a look, and then we're going to go swimming at at the back pool. It's like a plunge pool, sort of like an infinity pool, but not. But let's see what they've got on the sale. So we've just come to the pool deck as they have a DJ quiz on. It's called Jukebox Heroes, and we like to play this every day. It's just to guess the song, really, write it down, the song and the artist. They always do it on pool deck or in the pub, but it's turned into a really lovely day. As you can see behind me, it's very busy on pool deck, and we're just about to get a Costa and just play this. Kids in Kids Club, living their best life. So yeah, the holiday is well and truly underway. The Jukebox Heroes was really fun. We got 25 out of 40, but it kind of got a bit rained off, and you can see the rain was coming in from a side. So we've come indoors, and we come to the atrium, and there is a Costa at the Market Cafe, and they've got a pianist playing, and we're just doing a bit of people watching. So a bit of people watching on holiday. I treated myself to one of the P&O Cruises thermal cups, refillable cups. I use refillable thermal cups a lot at home, and I just thought it would be quite nice to have a P&O Cruises one for whilst I'm on board, and then I can also refill it with the coffee out of the buffet. So yeah, having a nice bit of a chill while the kids in Kids Club having fun. Good morning, it's now Monday, our last day at sea, and we have come to the buffet for breakfast, which is something we don't do very often. We've got a lovely view, and I'm just about to go up and see what's on offer.